Greetings, greetings, greetings. How you do? Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 14 to verse 30. Jesus go back to Galilee under the Spirit power, and news about him start to spread. So till people will live near Galilee hear about him. Him teaching at the Jew them church, and everybody talk good about him. When Jesus reached Nazareth, the place where party grow up, in going at the Jew them church on the Sabbath, like him always do. In turn up for read, and them give him the roll-up book where the prophet Isaiah write. Him roll it out and find the part where say, "The Spirit of the Lord upon me, cause him pick me out for carry good news, go give poor people. He send me for make the prisoner them know, say them I go free. For make blind people know, say them I go see again. For make people who suffer, know say they now go suffer forever. And he pick me out for make people know, say this at the time when the Lord I go saving people them." When Jesus done, he roll up back the book, give them, and sit down. Everybody were in the Jew them church, I did fast upon him. And Jesus start to tell them, say, today, all the way not just here come true. Everybody talk good about him. And they're frightened to hear the nice thing them when him say, "Wait, not Joseph boy this," them say. Jesus said to them, "Old time people used to say, doctor, cure yourself. Me know say, not too long from now, you know I go tell me the same thing. You know I go tell me say, the same thing them, when me hear say you do in a Capernaum, do them right as which part you come from. Let me tell you this, Jesus say, none of the prophet them never get respect from the people them where them born and grow monks. A true thing say, enough woman with husband dead, did their Israel in a Elijah time. Them time they, no rain fall for 3.5 years, and bad starvation did they all over the country. But God never sent Elijah go on none of them. God only sent him go one place named Zarephath in a Sidon to one woman where woman dead, where husband dead. Same thing did happen to Israel in at the time of Elisha, the prophet. Whole heap of people did have one sickness where make their skin fussy. But a uncle the Syrian when named Naaman get ill. All the people them in the Jew them church begs when them hear this. Them get up, run Jesus out of the town and carry him go edge of the hill, which part the town there, if fling him over there. But Jesus just slipped through the crowd and go about in business. And God word this. Thank God. Bless you at the end of 2021, and as you know, going to 2022, walk in the purpose where God sent on your for, just like how Jesus did walk in a firm purpose. Oh no, what good and one love.